Hello there, I'm Ben Wade, and in this UnleashU tutorial, you are going to learn how to connect your domain name to your web hosting. This tutorial, by the way, is specific to Godaddy. And as always, if we mention anything during the video, there'll be a link to it on our page so it's easy for you to find. And links to our pages are always in the video description in case you're not already watching this video on UnleashU.com. And now, let's dive into how to connect your domain name to your web hosting with Godaddy. So before we get started, here's a couple of things to keep in mind. This tutorial is to give you a basic idea of the process, but Godaddy changes their dashboard layout and screen order from time to time. If you get stuck during any part of the process, you can reach out to their customer service and they will help you. However, it doesn't hurt to stay familiar so you can do this stuff yourself instead of wasting time waiting for them to do it. So the first thing you'll need to do is go to godaddy.com, and then right up here, go ahead and click on Sign In and sign into your account. Then once you've signed in, click on your name and click on Manage My Domains. And this brings up a list of the domain names that you have registered with Godaddy. Next, click on the gear to open up your settings. And then click on Manage DNS, which is Manage Domain Name Servers. Once you're here, scroll down to Name Servers and click on Change. Now usually when you start off, this is set to a placeholder name server or a default name server. You'll need to click this drop down box and change it to Custom. Now what you'll need is the DNS information or the domain name server information for your hosting company. And that usually comes in the initial email. If you don't have that handy and you don't have the email, you can reach out to their customer service and they should be able to get that for you. Then you'll need to replace the default or the placeholder name servers with your name server information and then hit save. And once you hit save, that's going to replace the default information with your information. And what you've just done is you've pointed your domain name toward the servers where your website is hosted. And that's all there is to it. Now that you've completed this step, you've connected your domain name to your name server. Alright, in the rest of the tutorials coming up, you will learn how to actually build a website a few different ways. The first series is going to cover how to do that with WordPress. Another series will be behind the scenes tutorials on how we created these videos. We'll cover how we built UnleashU.com, which is where we organize all of our tutorials so they're easier for you to navigate. Lots of great stuff coming up and you don't want to miss any of it. So be sure to click that like button on our Facebook page. Be sure to click that subscribe button on our YouTube channel. Basically follow us wherever you find us so you never miss a thing. Also like, favorite, comment on, and share this video so other people have an easier time finding it. Alright, thanks for watching and keep an eye out for more tutorials coming up.